Proceeding further, Nawab Hasan Ali had never met such a rude cook, but he was also amused. Okay, so amused means he was surprised. The Nawab was surprised that how could somebody talk to me in such a straight manner, right? So what's the problem now, Qadir Mia? He asked. Huzur, to enjoy my dal, you will have to come to my shop. It has to be eaten immediately. Okay? So, Your Honor, once I call, you will have to come at once. Wow. Now there was another condition. Now, Sadiq's father, he said that the dal I make, it has to be eaten immediately. Immediately means right at that moment, just after cooking. So once I make it, once I cook it, you will have to come here to eat it, right? So, really? What if I'm late? The Nawab asked. I'll throw the dal away or give it to the poor. Surprising, isn't it? Qadir replied, sliding some kebabs into the hot oil with a hiss. So he was absolutely normal. It doesn't make any difference that he was talking to a Nawab or a beggar, right? So he kept doing his work, and he just told him that if you don't arrive, I'll give it away to a poor or to a poor person, or I'll just throw it away because that is of no use after that. Alright. Nawab Hasan Ali shook his head. Shook means to move. Shook his head like, okay. This Qadir was like no cook he had met. Ah, well, he thought, let's taste his dal. Maybe it will be worth the trouble. But the Nawab, he was now very much interested. The way the cook talked to him, right? So he was thinking, fine, alright, I'll give it a try. Maybe the dal is really worth all the troubles that he has to make, right? Alright, Nawab Hasan, okay, call me tomorrow when you are ready, he said and left the stall. Sadiq sighed with relief. Sadiq was sitting there and he was just looking everything like, okay, what he's saying, what he's replying, all the conversation he was just witnessing over there. So when the conversation was over, he just sighed with relief. Okay, finally the deal happened. Okay, all right. So he had been worried that the Nawab would lose his temper and leave. Lose his temper means to get angry, to lose your control over oneself and get angry. He was thinking, he was expecting, because he was Nawab, so he thought he would get angry now anytime and leave. So Sadiq knew that Nawabs often gave generous rewards to cooks if they liked the dish. His Abu had nearly spoilt everything. Sadiq was rather scared of his father. Okay, so now Sadiq had heard a lot about the Nawabs, that if they liked the dish, if they liked something cooked by a cook, so they used to give them good rewards, okay, big rewards. Alright, so but he was scared that his Abu had spoilt almost everything. He was as fussy as he used to be with other normal regular customers. Okay, so Sadiq was really afraid of his father. He was scared of his father. When Muhammad Qadir became angry, the neighbors said, crows flew away cawing and street dogs hid behind trees. It was lucky that the Nawab had been in a good mood and agreed to all of Qadir's conditions. His father was capable of refusing to cook for the Badshah himself if he wasn't treated well. Now, this was uh, the character of Qadir, alright, which the neighbors judged him like this, that when he used to get angry, the crows will fly away from there, dogs will hide behind the trees, and and thankfully the Nawab, he must be in good mood, that everything went well, and he did not get angry and did not leave the stall right at that moment, right? And because Qadir was such a person that could refuse to even a Badshah, that I would not cook for you if you do not agree to all my conditions. Strange. All right. In the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market to buy the ingredients for the dal shahi urad. Only the best would do, of course. Each grain of urad had to be perfect. No broken bits. Cinnamon sticks, cardamom, coriander, cumin, cloves, garlic pods, onions, gingers and turmeric of the highest quality, saffron and milk for the fragrant pure ghee, green crisp mint leaves for the chutney. Now, in the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market to purchase all the ingredients. Now, what are ingredients? To make a dish, whatever is required, all the things which are required to prepare that dish are called its ingredients. So they went there and they bought the all the things of highest quality, the best, because of course it was urad shahi, and that too for the Nawab. Okay, so they purchased all these things: coriander, cumin, garlic, onion, ginger, and urad, everything. Then Adab Kader Mia, one of the servants who had accompanied Nawab Hasan Ali that day when Nawab Hasan Ali came at their store. So one of the servants was standing there when they were in the market, right? Greeted them at the vegetable shop. How's the shopping going for the dal shahi urad? So they were aware that the next day they have to prepare dal for the Nawab. So he just asked in a fun manner, so how are the preparations going? Adab, said Qadir shortly. He didn't like talking unnecessarily. So this is another quality of Qadir Mia. So he was quite serious and he just focused on his work and nothing else. Okay. Sadiq smiled at the man, at the servant. Your Nawab Saab seems to like eating. Alright. So Qadir didn't talk to him. He didn't pay attention to him, whatever he was saying, because he was just focused on the work for which he was there. But Sadiq, being a kid, of course, and he did not want to lose this customer, so he was just trying to entertain him, and he just smiled at him and he said, I can see Nawab Saab really likes eating new things, trying new things, right? Alright. Ah, doesn't he? The man laughed. It's his greatest hobby. He is always on the lookout for new food stalls. And if he likes a particular preparation, he gives fabulous rewards. Okay? So he told him that yes, it's one of his greatest hobbies, and he is always, lookout means he is always searching for good stalls, good food stalls, and if he really likes something, he gives them good rewards for that. Really? Sadiq asked, excited. Now this is exactly what he wanted, and this is exactly what he was expecting, rewards, right? So what has he given? he was very interested now. Well, once he was so pleased by a pasanda and pulao in Aminabad that he bought the cook a new shop. Alright, so the servant told him that once he liked a dish prepared by a cook, that and he was so pleased to have that he gave him a new shop. A whole shop? Sadiq exclaimed, wide-eyed. Wide-eyed means in surprise. Okay, the Nawab is very rich. Last month, he gave a diamond ring to a chef for his firni. So he was just telling him more and more stories that how generous his Nawab was towards the cooks, right? Good cooks, rather. So Qadir was calling him, so Sadiq had to leave, but on the way home, he dreamt of the reward his father could get. He knew that his father's dal shahi urad was as good as any pulav or pasanda any cook could prepare. So he had now Sadiq had heard many stories of the Nawab by the servant. Now when they were going back, on the way back home means when they were going back, he was just daydreaming that because he was sure of his father's cooking skill, of his culinary skills. Okay, so now he was very sure that he is going to be he is the best. So now what reward are we getting from the Nawab? So he was just dreaming all about that. Okay,